from one chain. First, let me introduce the Filecoin and talk about how to use the Filecoin to storage dataset and retrieve it. Actually, I have written all of the steps and about the dataset in this document. During the Slingshot third phase, file installed the open image dataset, which is from the Slingshot computation curated dataset list. In fact, we just stored version 6 dataset. All of the dataset list are as follows. We download the images to my local directory with the following process. The first step, we install the Amazon client and download the image for the train set, validation set, and test set as above. After the download of the dataset, we use the split command to cut them into small pieces, about 16 gigabytes and 23 gigabytes, and several files about small size. All of the command used to split files is as follows. We use a different commands to use two different files because they are different. They have different size. When we get all of the data piece, about the data piece, we can see the follows. The list of the file piece as follows, like this. We can find all of the pieces in this space we send the deals. When we get all of the data piece, we import them to the Lotus and send them online data deals to different miners. The first step is we need to import the data piece to the Lotus. We can use this command. You can run Lotus client import and files. Then you will get the data CID after minutes, like this. Deal command is used to send the deal to the different miners. Like this, we can send the deals test 0 to the to one miner. This is my client address, and this is data CID, and this is miner price and duration. Then we can get the deal CID. If you want to destroy data retrieval, you can first you can see all the data piece like this in the Filecoin web application. So like this. In this website, we can search all the data like train. Yeah. You can search all of the train 0 data and all of the deals of information about the deal ID, miner ID, payload CID, field name, field byte size, date. All of this you can see in this web. Then you can download one of the data using the download button. Because it's too large, so we can cancel it. So let's continue. Go on. If users want to get the original data from the Filecoin website, they can download all the pieces of the original files. For example, if you want to use test files, you can do the following steps. For first steps, you need to download all the pieces, include 0, 1, 2, run the script virtuals the source code is as follows. You can write it in files, then you can get the original files, test original files. If you then someone wants to get the files from the Lotus, and you can use the Lotus command like retrieval data by using Lotus client command like Lotus client retrieval. For example, if you want to retrieve a test result, you can run the Lotus client retrieval command. This is dataset ID. This is out files name, add files name. This is my user retrieval manner. Then you can like this to get the different part, test 1, test 2 files. Finally, you can run the merge script to get the original files. The merge script is the same as like this. You can copy it to one files. So thanks. This is my application file. File in.